Hey everybody, welcome to my unboxing video. They open the Melo Ball breast cancer awareness.
Alright, open it up.
Oh, they red. No, not yet. Sit back down. The one with the shoes are about to see the first.
Ooh. Give me a 360.
Which details you like better? Bottom.
Let me see what the bottom looks like. It says 101. Give me a 360 look. 360.
You like the eagle.
Oh yeah, I like the front. I like this part right here. I like this design right here. And you see the ribbon for breast cancer awareness?
And you like the eagle too?
The wings, yep, with the 1, because that's Melo Ball's number is 1, and he has wings through it. Oh, those are nice. Those are real nice.
Look at the chandeliers.
You see? No, those are supposed to be flames. Those are like flames coming out of a rocket. Because Melo has a rocket tattoo on his leg, and when they designed it, those flames are supposed to be the flames coming from the rocket on his legs going up.
So you like the flames better?
Well, my favorite part is right here on the front with the white. I like the contrast with the pink. And then the second favorite is the flames. What about you? What's your favorite part on the sneaker?
I like the flames.
They like the flames?
I like
from the rocket. These flames right here on the side.
And I like the diamonds.
What diamonds?
The diamonds right here.
Oh yeah, that's nice. On the midsole? Yeah.
Yeah, they call it diamonds.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, those are dope. You're right. They are dope.
And the track. Mostly the diamonds. But the
that's the Puma logo.
Yeah.
Oh, you like that too?
Hey everybody, thank you for checking out my video. Bye.